Take a moment and feel your own pulse. That steady, repeating thud is part of a massive collection of rhythmic cycles all around us, from a human heartbeat to the phases of the moon to the turning of the seasons. The world is full of systems that keep strict time. In physics, we give a very precise name to this repetition. We call it periodic motion. By definition, periodic motion is any movement that repeats itself identically at regular intervals of time. These three graphs show the height of different objects over time, and they each map a distinct physical path. The sharp spikes on the left show an insect climbing up a ramp and falling off. The blocky steps in the middle map a child climbing up a stair and coming back down. And the smooth curves on the right track a ball bouncing against the floor. Look closely at the horizontal axis on all three charts. Even though the physical paths are different, a sudden drop, a step down, a parabolic bounce, they share a mathematical thread. Each object completes one full cycle in the exact same duration of time. In physics, we call this smallest repeating interval the period, denoted by the letter T.